Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Since it's the world's first smartphone to feature optical image stabilization across all four of its rear cameras. So in this video we mainly focus on the camera performance. We also compared with a bunch of other flagship phones. Let me know which one has the best result in the comments section. First things first, let's see what's in the box. We have a premium leather phone case, a 66-watt fast charging adapter, a Type-C cable, a VIP card. What's more, there's a pair of vivo TWS2 earbuds. Learn from this, Apple. Learn from this non-eco-friendly packaging. Before moving to the camera, let's go over the specs of the Vivo X70 Pro Plus really quickly. The Android 11-based X70 Pro Plus comes with a 6.78-inch 10-bit 3200 by 1400 AMOLED screen. Thanks to Samsung's latest E5 LTPO tech, this panel offers better colors and brightness than before. It also features a refresh rate of up to 120Hz and a touch sample rate of up to 300Hz, which delivers silky smooth scrolling and gaming from our test. Just like other top flagships, the X70 Pro Plus sports Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, fast LPDDR5 RAM, IP68 dust-proofing and waterproofing, stereo speakers, and a dedicated Hi-Fi chip. As for charging, the 4500 mAh battery here supports Vivo's 55-watt flash charge and 50-watt wireless flash charge. It also supports 10-watt reverse wireless charging should you need to revive other phones, smartwatches, or wireless earbuds. Now the camera. The X70 Pro Plus comes with a 48-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide camera, which is further stabilized by Vivo's now signature micro gimbal, a 50-megapixel f1.57 main camera powered by a large Samsung Gen 1 sensor, a 12-megapixel f1.6 portrait camera with a much newer Sony IMX663, and an 8-megapixel f3.4 5x zoom periscopic camera. These all have Zeiss optics and Zeiss T-Star lens coding. And the main camera is further enhanced by an SAR-grade high transmittance glass lens to reduce chromatic aberration. What's more, the X70 Pro Plus also packs Vivo's very own V1 AI image chip for better noise reduction in low-light video recording, as well as more efficient motion smoothing in video playback and gaming. Let's cut the crap and see the samples. I will leave it to you guys to judge and comment below which one do you like. We put ours first. In most daylight photos, all these flagship phones have almost the same great performance or have good true to life color, excellent white balance, but Vivo's X70 Pro Plus outperforms in backlight situations, which offers better dynamic range and clearer pictures. It even lifts glares and chromatic aberration that we normally see on other phones. Another big bonus from the X70 Pro Plus is the camera filter. It offers all kinds of bokeh effects that mimic classic Zeiss lenses, which look fun and interesting to use. As for video, from our test, it's rock steady, even more stable than the other two excellent phones. What's more is it has this horizontal stabilization feature. No matter how uneven your phone is, it's just horizontal. And you can shoot lock videos with it, which gives you more color grading ability in editing. Alright, I will just leave the comparison to you guys, and don't forget to comment below.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. When you found me stand side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
So what do you think of the Vivo X70 Pro Plus? In our view, this is probably the best camera phone we've had so far in 2021. Alright, that's the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy and we'll see you in the next one.